This toadstool video is divided into 3 parts. How to draw a toadstool, how to paint it with watercolors, and then how to put it all together in art journal page. How to prepare the awesome background for art journal, part shown in video number 3. In the first part, we learned how to draw a toadstool with a pencil. Here we show the accelerated content from part 1. Starting to paint with watercolors. Do not draw paints directly from the cubes, but apply them to a prepared paint palette. Use the sketch prepared earlier. Use plenty of water and take your time. Before painting, it is better to erase the pencils so that it is almost invisible. It is worth painting on paper designed for watercolor. Take care of it. If you paint dots, you can use masking fluid or be patient. Use different red colors, mix with oranges and yellows. Try to keep chiaroscuro in mind. Thus prepared watercolor, I will cut out and put it in a page in art journal. I invite you to part number 3, where I will show you how to prepare the background and how to make an art journal page. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing you in part 3. Agnieszka.